Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on TikTok in 2025 when if you don't have 10,000 followers. That's right, TikTok update their system and many new accounts don't see the create playlist button. But I have got a fast and easy trick for you, so make sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, let's quick talk about what a playlist is. Playlist in Playlist on TikTok is basically a collection of video group under one topic. For example, you can create playlists for maybe tutorial, vlogs, or series content, and many more. This will keep your profile organized and can increase watch times, which is really helpful for your TikTok growth. But here's the issues in this latest TikTok update. New accounts don't have access to playlist feature unless you reach 10,000 followers. Like on my new account, you will notice there's no options to create a playlist like this. But don't worry, here's the trick. First, just open your browser like this, and then just log into your TikTok account. Just open TikTok web and then just log into your TikTok account. And then in here you will see the create playlist. But first just switch to desktop mode in your browser like this, desktop mode or desktop sites. This way to make your all features appears, and when you're done you will see create a playlist over here like this. Just tap on it, and then over here just give your playlist a name on here, for example like this, and then just select the video that you want to include. Just tap on here and then just choose your post or video that you want to include to the playlist like this. And once you have selected your video, just tap on create like this, and that's it, your playlist is now created like this. And then if you go back to the TikTok app, just go back to your TikTok, and then you might notice that the playlist doesn't appear at the top of your profile immediately like this. But don't worry, this is normal, the playlist still exists. Just check the video that you include, for example like this, and then you will see the playlist label under it, this one. And then here's the cool part, even if it's not visible at top of your profile yet, other people can see your playlist when they visit your account. Okay, so there you have it, a simple web trick to create TikTok playlist without needing 10,000 followers. It's super easy and super effective. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.